everyone, welcome to our room tour 2020.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are finally giving you guys a room tour. So you guys were requesting a room tour and we were like, we would love it to film a room tour for you guys because we love them, of course. And this video took a lot of effort as well as like time to make because of the weather that is changing really continuously, and today it is like still cloudy, but we feel like we have to film this video today. So sorry if the lighting is changing or some clips are dark and some clips are like too bright, anything like that. But yeah, let's just get into the room tour without any further ado. Hey guys, welcome to our room. So first thing first, when you enter through this door, you can see we have our closet, and this is a pretty basic closet and we cannot show you guys what's inside it because everything is a mess. And anyways, like, this is how the closet looks like if you want to see in detail and in close up. So right next to the closet we have our dresser, and this is the dresser that we painted, and it looks pretty nice, like pretty proud of this. So we like painted this white, and the top is like pink and the doors are white, as you guys can see. And on this dresser we have like some random items that we wanted to like decorate our dresser with. So first of all, we have like this beautiful tumbler and it has like glitter inside it. So right next to this tumbler we have like our glass water bottle that we just use to decorate, not to drink water. And we have like these DIYs so that we can like hold our rings. And in the middle you can see like this is a really nice boho DIY plant that we made in our boho room decor video. So if you want to watch that, linked in the description box down below, or in the eye corner. So yes, you can watch it. And next we have like a unicorn, and this is like so good. I love this unicorn, it's my favorite, and this is actually a DIY if you guys don't know. So yes, so at the back of the unicorn we have like a really nice terracotta pot which looks really nice, and it is pretty heavy, so I just don't want to drop it. Anyways, like, we have like our paintings on the wall. So these are the paintings that we painted, and they look like so good with the like vibe and everything like that. So this area is pretty modern slash I don't know what, so we just mixed everything and it has like different vibes. So right next to the dresser we have a full-length mirror. You can like come and see. So this is how the full-length mirror looks like. Hey guys, so we have attached actually like RGB LED lights around the mirror. So like people attach it on their walls, but we decided to attach it on our mirror because it looks good. So yes, that is why we attached it on the mirror, and it is a really nice mirror. So right next to the mirror we have like these printouts that we printed, and we like pasted them with the sequins. So first, as you can like may remember if you are not new to our channel, we made a TikTok room transformation video in which we just pasted them in a collage form, and now we have like them laying out really nicely and it looks more neater and cuter. So at the bottom side, as you guys can see, we have like our plants and this bicycle which looks so cute. You can just zoom in and like see everything. It looks so cute, and this is a fake plant, as you guys can see by its like face. So I don't know if it has any face. Old. Yes, it's very old. And this rug is actually my favorite. I just love this rug. It is so beautiful, so nice, and everything is just so cute about this mirror. Everything is just so cute about this rug. So right next to this area we have our desk. So these are our desks, and we hate them. Like, we don't like them because like there's so much going on in here. I just want things to be like simple and minimalistic, not like too much going on. But yes, these are our chairs and our desk, and like, so you guys can see everything. Like, we have like 2 lamps, different stuff going on in here. So pretty basic and pretty like stuffed in. things are just going on.
So we cannot show you guys anything in detail because of the fact
the video
that
will be so long and there is nothing to show you guys. Like, the things are not cute. So anyways, right next to our like this desk area, we have like this area. So this area is like, don't mind it because it looks like so childish, but we have like our drawers kind of thing going on right here, and above that we have like our DIY that we made in our first ever video, so you guys can watch it if you like it. So I think we have to like switch because this is her side and we have to like let her show you guys what it is like. So yes. So everyone, this is my side, as you guys know right now, and this is my side table, which does not look that cute, but it is cute, but it's not cute. I don't know, but so these are the things that are on the table, and we're gonna show you guys all the things closely. So this is a DIY, of course you guys can see. This is like, all things are separate DIYs, and we love them because they're so good and makes a little like cute decor kind of thingy. Other than that, we have this pineapple light up sign, which is made by us, and it's like so old, but it's still so good. And other than that, we have this frame. You guys know this frame if you have watched our first video ever, and yes, it's so cute and we love it. And other than that, we have this like yellow vase, which we really like, and so it just really ties up the look and
yes,
yellow look. Right here you can see this is a rainbow, which is also a DIY, and you guys know that it is going crazy over Pinterest, and like it's so trendy and we love it. It's like so boho and nice. So y'all, this is my side of the bed, and here we have white bedding. These are like basic white beddings, and we have like these cute donut pillows on, and some pillows that we really made ourselves, and they look so cute and nice and we love them. So we have attached like these tassels to the corners of the pillow that we made, and it looks so beautiful because like it adds a little pop of color, and we love a pop of color. And in the center we have this gold power pillow, which is pink, so it ties up the room perfectly and we really love it. So on our bed we have this like French style bedding, and we really love this. And yes, and on the top of our bed we have these are the ring lights that we actually DIY'd. So we have these like phases of moon going on, and they look so pretty. And if you guys have watched our first video ever, it is in the video, and we really love them. It gives like a little like bohemian and urban outfitter vibes to our room. Now it's my turn to show you guys what the area looks like, because this is my side. So guys, now it's my turn to show you guys what my side looks like. So as you guys can see, like we have same pillows going on and everything is just the same. And so above on the roof we have like a really nice, really good chandelier going on, and this is like a basic chandelier made up of like rattan furniture, so you guys can see like an IKEA style. So yes, so right next to my bed, of course, we have my nightstand, and this is how it looks like. Let me just sit down and show you guys everything. So this rope right here, like this circle that you guys can see, is actually a DIY that we made. It's not in a video because we made it like last minute at night, so this looks like really nice and ties everything together. So above like this table we have like 3 books stacked on each other, and they look so cute and adds like pop of color. Again, we used yellow books to tie everything together. We used a yellow book, and we don't read like books and novels and everything like that, so these are like our brother's book. And above this we have like really cute fake plant, and this pot is actually made by us, like the design and everything like that. So if you want to watch it, you can like watch it in our video. So yes, other than that we have like this really nice black / golden moon that is a jewelry like holder. So like it is so cute and it looks so cute here. So yes, it just is holding a ring right now, and you guys can see like we have these stones right here. So these are rocks, and we actually painted them, and like these are like so cute. So the rocks look so beautiful here because we painted them. And next we have like this frame and like that kind of frame that she had. So this is like same frame kind of thing going on. Right next to my nightstand we have these palm leaves and like this whole plant going on, which is like a real plant. As you guys can see how beautiful it is. So yes, it looks so cute like here in the corner, and it just ties everything together. And you know, like greenery is a must thing to have in the room. So right next to my nightstand and this area we have this shelf wall going on. So these are the shelves that are made by us, and this is like not in a video, like we haven't showed you guys how to make them because like they're everywhere, especially on Pinterest, so you guys can see how to make them really easily. And you guys can see like on these shelves we have everything like decorated and nicely put it together. So we have this alarm clock which is also in a red color, so this gives a really nice pop of red color to the shelf, and everything looks so beautiful. And this is also a DIY that you can watch in our Pinterest room decor video, and everything is just so cute here. On the next shelf we have like same kind of vibe going on, but like this trolley, I just love this. So this is a really nice cart that is so beautiful, our favorite, and everything is just so cute. Just don't mind our equipments right here. So we have our equipments going on, and this basket full of chart and everything like that. Right next to our equipment we have this giant storage unit that is actually useless, but it is useful too. So you guys can see that we have a little like vanity area going on here. So yes, we have a little like perfume, some red shampoo, and mirrors that light up, and these are so cute. Right next to that we have the things that we made ourselves. So these are pieces of artwork that we did ourselves, and if you guys want to watch us paint and other things like that, comment down below. If you want to see more artworks by us, then follow us on our art account, Artsy Photo Twins. So other than that, we have this like huge boho bucket that we actually DIY'd ourselves, and it has like skincare stuff inside it. And yes, we don't do skincare much, but like still we have a lot of stuff here. But yes, so right next to it we have this like pom-pom kind of branch with pom-pom, and it looks so cute, you guys. And so it is actually a DIY too. So we'll link everything down below, and this is also a DIY, this photo right here. So yes, other than that, we really have some random stuff inside it, and we don't even know where it came from. Okay, so this is a bookshelf right here, like again the books that we stole from our brother to give it like cute accent. And other than that, we have this like thrifted cup, and we really love it. And other than that, we have this like trolley kind of thingy, like shopping cart, and it has like highlighters, and we have like such random stuff here. So yes. And you guys, don't mind that we have like these doll houses. We literally don't play with them, but still we don't have anything to put inside it, so we are keeping this things. Other than that, I don't think so anything is left to show you guys. So yes, it's a wrap. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if it is so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And we are so close to 1K, and help us reach 1K, so we'll be so happy. And other than that, our previous videos are in the description box down below, or in the eye corner right here, so make sure to watch them, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. So till then, peace out.